Bollywood actor Vikrant Massey shocked everyone with his decision to retire from films. The actor, in the wee hours of Monday, announced that he is taking a step back from films. He also added that he will return to the spotlight if a deserving opportunity presents itself. Although the actor did not shed light on his sudden decision, a director who has worked with him weighed in on the possible reason behind Vikrant's retirement. Vikrant wants to remain a little different. He has been flooded with offers from OTT and movies. His fear is that he is overexposing himself and the audience might soon be tired of him. He's often expressed this worry in his conversations about doing too many films and tiring his audience out. So it's a brave decision to take a break and give yourself some time. Why not? Was reportedly what a director said on the condition of anonymity. Another source from the industry mentioned that his move could also be a strategy to reinvent himself. He is most likely to play the negative lead in the next Dawn being made by Excel Entertainment. I won't be surprised if this break could be a way of reinventing himself and then doing a relaunch in a totally new look and style. Vikrant has always been a thinking actor. He's not someone who does things on the surface, so this break could have something to do with Dawn 3. Vikrant Massey took to Instagram and announced his retirement. The actor wrote, "Hello, the last few years and beyond have been phenomenal. I thank each and every one of you for your indelible support. But as I move forward, I realize it's time to recalibrate and go back home. As a husband, father, a son, and also as an actor. So, coming 2025, we would meet each other for one last time. Until time deems right. Last two movies and many a years of memories. Thank you again for everything and everything in between. Forever indebted." Massey, known for films such as 12th Fail, Haseen Dilruba and The Sabarmati Report, has announced retirement. In an Instagram post, Massey has said that 2025 will be his last year in the film industry.